Had to fuel up. Car was running out of gas. Gotta get that E50 mix. So like, I think I had like 51 miles at 17 miles per gallon. So that comes out to around 6.4 gallons of E, and then 4.4 gallons of 91 to get E50. What you want?
Is this a Supra?
Nah, bro, it's a Toyota Camry.
Oh shit.
Thank you. So hella. Getting some gas real quick. We're gonna go get some grub, and then we got some work to do too. Come on.
Angry.
Why you gotta make Leo mad? Oh wait, I was off on my calculations. 4.7.
Andy was fine.
Shelby owners in their natural habitat.
He's getting interrogated right now. It's just one of those days for him.
Yeah.
Look at him. Look, can I say something? I already know Leo's just like, oh, let's get this shit over with.
Oh yeah, 700 horsepower and
You're making me nervous. You're making me nervous. Why?
Was that recording from like down here?
Oh yeah, what's up guys?
Hey, this is the FBI.
hey guys.
Hey, we're here to look at you talking to minors. Oh shit. Yeah, your girl? Look at that. His fucking battery must be dead, bro.
Look at this fucking jackass in that M4.
I wonder who drove that here. I wouldn't even drive that here. That's embarrassing.
That Type R looks like shit.
That's disgusting, bro. Sucks.
The Supra, it's pretty
look,
cool, man.
We can rob that fucker. Look, he left
Yeah,
the windows open.
dumbass. Oh my god, look at that guy.
Bend the mirror back.
Can I bend your mirror back?
Throw it.
Dude. Oh wait, we gotta show the rest of the cars. Hold on. We got a Shelby GT350. It's a Shelby GT540. It's a GT500. It's fast.
Is it though?
Yeah.
No, we know it's fast.
And then we got the
Speaks
SI
for
Type
itself.
R right here.
SIR.
You gotta film the SI Type R. This thing right here is just fucking killer. Front lip blew off from being too fast. The wheels are special anniversary wheels from China. And then the wing on the back is what makes it a Type R. So it's real authentic. It shakes a lot, but it's okay. Because, you know, it's Sexy Joe that owns it.
Where is that?
Where is Sexy Joe? Oh, by the way, we're at Carl's Coffee if you didn't know. OC.
We found him.
Oh, so that's going in, guys. We're just introducing our car. You made our film.
No, Joe has to be the filmer.
Fuck no.
Look, this chick's filming me, so I gotta film her.
What'd you say?
You don't have my consent.
It's our boy over there's birthday. His name is Joe. We couldn't find candles or a cake or anything. This is very last minute, so we bought a pack of cigarettes. I don't know what these are, but they're gold apparently, and they're this.
We like gold.
Red gold.
Gold is good. We like gold. Gold is very good.
Yes.
We like gold and we like the blacks. We need the blacks.
Anyways. Yeah, you're canceled, buddy. I mean, I might be canceled. And then we bought these.
Just like that.
And the thingies in.
Oh, digging me.
All right, can someone open this? We gotta create.
Digging at me. Yeah, I'm new to this.
I'm new to this.
He's pissed off at you.
Me or Warren or Liam?
Why?
I don't know. Why is he mad at me?
I don't know. He says you're annoying.
Why is he always mad at me?
Just go say sorry.
What the fuck?
I told him I'm gonna smack the shit out of him because he was strobing me and my fucking epilepsy runs in my family.
Oh, seriously?
Yeah.
Just
So
go say
I would-
sorry. It's his birthday. Come on.
It's not his birthday for another fucking hour.
Yeah, you're not
You know what?
right.
Shut up.
You ate his birthday.
You ate his
Yeah. Wait, that's his birthday donut. I thought you used to open it.
Did you need that birthday donut?
You fat fuck. You couldn't wait to give it to
Yeah, they're for his
Did you need
cake.
that birthday donut?
Dude, put it back.
He's gonna be like, you guys couldn't even
Put
give
it
me a full
back.
box of donuts. Fuck
Okay,
you guys.
open it. No, like open it. I'm recording the video, man.
Open it a little bit, peel it back. Who won't know this? Return of the
Oh yeah. No, not all of them. Just put it in one so that the one that gets smoked inside of. We won't need.
Catches on fire.
Yeah, just put it in the middle of that one.
You need to dig the hole.
Yeah.
You digging it.
Oh, you're digging in.
You
Let me light it.
digging it.
Okay. Yeah. Light it.
Yeah, who's got left?
Hold on. I'm gonna restart it with flash. Oh no. I should probably not.
None of that footage gets used. On 3. 1, 2, 3. Happy birthday.
A little more.
You know it's not gonna stay lit, bro. It's just gonna be smoking.
I know, but that's fine. That's good.
What? I will go and I'll smoke the
Oh yeah.
donut.
Put a little puff.
I'll pucker on it. That was not good.
Alright, let's go get it to him. Alright. Ready?
Oh,
They're about to crash your car. They're about to take out the Boost Blue Type R.
Joe, happy birthday!
Joe, happy birthday.
Happy birthday!
Woo. Happy birthday, Joe.
It's a candle.
It's a candle. We couldn't afford a real cake, so we had to do this. So we had to do this. Ready? Oh, we're gonna sing happy birthday. Okay, ready? 3, 2. It's okay.
Happy birthday.
Happy birthday to you. Happy birthday to you. Don't ask what the top. Happy birthday, dear Joey. Happy birthday to the Civic Type R.
Hit that shit.
All right, now hit that shit.
Oh, no.
Come on, bro.
Suck on it.
Oh, we gotta light it up a little more, cause.
Suck on it.
Oh, there you go. Blow it up. Make a wish and blow it out.
blow
No,
it
leave the
out.
candle on. No, come on. Leave the light on.
Beautiful
So
Joe, happy birthday, Joe. Finally
Joe,
21.
make a wish and blow it out.
Fuck got donuts.
It's for you.
Oh! I
Okay.
put my hand for you.
We'll take this away from you.
One more cigarette.
There.
Want it?
You don't want it. Just the top one has smoke in it. The rest of them don't.
Because Warren opened the bag and immediately
Yeah,
ate one.
he fucking ate one. Yo, do it for the YouTube video, Warren.
No. This shit will end
Alright.
the fucking windshield. No. What the fuck? Why was your mouth like? I was trying to go tongue, bro. No.
You hear this shit going on?
Being a baby
There's your kiss.
Take this.
What is your opinion?
Baby bag. I want my baby back. Okay, you're fucking baby back.
I should.
We're just pulling Joe.
All right, we got Type R, Supra, Shelby GT500, Civic Si Type R, Tesla. I mean, I don't know if you can say that. Supra. All right, car meets ended. The group has changed a little bit, but still the same premise. Anyways, we're getting some Taco Bell because we haven't eaten all day. This guy right here is B58 Ryan.
He said, watch this. I look up and see this guy's mouth right at me. I was like, what the fuck?
Why are you so red?
That was
Like it almost happened.
He almost had so excited. Dude,
I almost kissed a dude.
the title's gonna be I almost kissed the dude.
Just feel like I almost kissed a homeless man.
No, you ain't got no B58.
Still almost as fast as you If I blow up though,
Almost doesn't mean shit. Almost only counts in golf.
Joe doesn't even know how to play. I don't even know if you think I'm gonna play.
Let's get around. I'll be like, alright, Joe, what do you like this?
Don't worry. Don't worry. I'll put up
Yeah. What car meet? All right, so we just started taking everything apart. We are currently taking out the intake. It has an armor speed one, so take out the cover, take out the filter, pop out these. All right, so we made some progress already. Got the intake out, which is really easy. You guys should be able to do that with no time at all. We already got 2 of the bolts on the T30s on the inlet off, as well with this. We are working on taking off the charge pipe right now, just T30s of course. Gonna pop that off so we're able to get to the last bolt on the inlet, and then we're gonna work on taking off the wastegate, and then take off the downpipe and try to get these bolts off of the turbo housing and see how that goes. That one might be a little tricky, but we think we find a way to do it on the forums of courses and people that have tried. So he's working on that right now. We also got a little setup right now. So we got this mat, we got this icon little metal magnet thing, of course the ratchets We got this toolbox here with a bunch of stuff. All these drawers, of course, have stuff in them. We got all these drawers I filled up as well, nice and organized. Then we got this one over here. This is just an extra one, impact. We actually have 2 of these impacts and a couple other ones here. But right now we're gonna keep going at this. I'll update you guys in the next few moments. But basically, from what I saw online and everything, intake, charge pipe, inlet, take off the wastegate, just the downpipe. We're gonna, of course, try to get off the turbo housing. Right now we're just kind of working at it. All right, so we're back. Another update. We got the inlet pipe out. We got electric wastegate out. Intake, of course. Kind of just let you guys know how we did it. To get it all out, intake, of course, already went over. The electric wastegate is right here by 4 bolts. It has a little shield cover, so you just kind of have to get an extension, E20, and get them all out. Loosen it, it'll be there. This right here, this right here, I don't know if you guys can see it, so I'll show you guys on the electric wastegate, which is basically this little arm will be connected. It'll have this little clip on it, so you just kind of have to use picks or something, get it inside of this, and then kind of just pop it off. Make sure you don't lose this because you'll need this. So that's electric wastegate. This little thing was kind of stuck in the housing inside of here, so we just kind of grabbed it, wiggled it, and then it was able to come out. It should be able to. Of course, if you guys are doing this, do not move this nut right here. Don't move it. That's just don't move it. And then back to your inlet pipe, we got the 3 screws out. Once they were there just dangling, we had to kind of shimmy it a little bit and pull it out because the seal was pretty in there, since this car does have about 40,000 miles now. Charge pipe just kind of laying there, that doesn't really matter. I got this housing bolt out, this one loose, almost out. The driver's side bottom bolt I already just took out fully, just so I don't have to struggle with that. Next, we're gonna take off the downpipe and try to see if we can get some extension swivels to get the top left bolt on the turbo housing. So right now we're gonna disconnect these. We're gonna get these out. These are a little annoying to get out, but just kind of pop them off. Go into the car, take off the clamp, and then undo this clamp up here as well, and then just pop it off. So it should take us a little bit of time, but luckily not too hard all in all, so far at least. Little final update. Got the turbo housing off. Pretty nice, the BMW, whatever, made in Poland. So gonna go hopefully swap this out tomorrow. They should have the new one there. Only one little finger cut, but I don't have any band-aids, so you know, whatever's. Downpipes right here, intake, cover, wastegate, inlet. Those are the bolts for the back of the housing. The 4th one, that's the hardest one, which is the one right over there in the corner. Was pretty hard to do if you go through back there looking forward. So what we did was we went under the car and we took off all the panels down there, and that way you're able to see directly where we're putting the socket into, and then you can get it onto that block top bolt pretty easily, honestly. We were about to just take off the hot side right here, pop it off, but we found out that we could do it that way, so we ended up doing it that way. We ended up doing it that way, which was a lot easier.